श्री भजन रस सप्तम का साधन। सातवां श्लोक। वै दीनदयाद्रनाथ हे मथुरानाथ पदावलोकसु हृदयं तदवलोककातरं द्वैतं भ्राम्यते किं करोऽहम्। हे दीनजन के प्रति परम दयालु हृदय, हे नाथ, हे मथुरनाथ, मुझे आपका दर्शन करो। हे प्राणनाथ, तुम्हारे दर्शन के बिना मेरा हृदय व्याकुल हो रहा है, मैं क्या करूं। हे दीनो दयाद्रनाथ, हे कृष्ण मथुरनाथ, कभी पुनः पावो दर्शन। ना देखिए चानमोग व्यथित हृदय दूर हे देत की करी। हाल हम लोगों ने श्रवण किया था। जिस प्रकार रत्नों में कौस्तुभ मणि सर्वश्रेष्ठ है, उसी प्रकार काव्यरस में इस श्लोक भी श्रेष्ठ है। इस श्लोक श्रीमती राधा जी कृष्ण के विरह में अत्यंत कातुर होकर दिव्यमादि की दशा में रह रहे। उनकी कृपा से श्री माधवेंद्र परिपाद पानी पर इसकी स्फूर्ति और फिर राधा भाव अंगीकार कर
Yesterday we have heard about the shloka Dina Dayatanath He Mathuranath. So here in this shloka Radharani is praying, and here it's describing like as the Kaustubh jewel is the topmost of all jewels, this verse is foremost among rasa poetry. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in the Chaitanya Charitamrita Sriman Mahaprabhu is the gardener of Kalpavraksha. So Madhavenpuri, whose heart is filled with Krishna Prem, he is distribute the fruit trees and relish them himself. So Shri Madhavenpuri, whose heart was full, was saturated with Krishna Prem, was the very first sprout of this desired tree. With Shri Ishwar Puri, this sprout of Prem Ras grew. The gardener, Shri Chaitanya himself, manifested as the trunk. So, previous to Shri Madhavendra Puripad, there was no Rasmay Upasana, devotional service, in amorous love, in the Madhva Sampradaya. Through the ideas expressed by the Tattvavadis, whom Sriman Mahaprabhu met while travelling in South India, one can understand that worship in the Madhva Sampradaya used to be performed only in the mood of awe and reverence. Various Sanchari Bhavas manifest in the state of separation, viraha, and mana, due to jealousy appear in the heart and nourish the sthai bhav. Many kinds of sanchari bhavas arise in Sri Radhika's heart. So we have heard this katha already yesterday,
ये विरहवादिनी श्री राधा
that
तो दीन भाव से कृष्ण की संबोधन करती है।
so Radha is indicating to Krishna when somebody's heart got melted, seeing the sorrow next to other. Check, might be sound is okay this time. Haribo.
यहाँ पर अनेक प्रकार भाव की संचार हुआ, कभी द्वैतम, कभी ईर्षा, कभी मान।
So there are many kinds of bhav is sanchar here, just like danya, aswa, man.
राधा दीन भाव से संबोधन करती है। प्रेम उत्पन्न होने पर अत्यंत दीन भाव
When the love arises, the person becomes very humble. So Radhika is expressing or addressing Krishna, saying, "Ay Deen Dayal, Dayadranath, O Krishna, you are very simple-hearted and affectionate. It is you who remove the sorrow of the residents of Braj. So please bestow your mercy upon me. You give me mercy to all. You give your mercy to all living entities, thus protecting them from all distress. So why will you not give mercy to me, who am separated from my master? You are my pran swarup. If you do not bestow your mercy upon me, your reputation as he who removes the distress of all the residents of Braj will be ruined. Only you are my beloved. This is why word Nath, meaning master, is used in this verse. In this ocean of separation, just like in the ocean, many kinds of tapu appeared, which is called islands. So which is the topmost tapu is? Australia. So Australia is situated at topmost tapu Iceland because it is situated under the Prashant Mahasagar. So around Australia, they're all over the water. So around Australia there is water too much. In the same way, in the Prem Rupi Samudra, the tapu is manifested there. The Iceland is manifested there. So, in the ocean of separation, though there is a towering wave that represses these feelings of humility, danya, and manifests the mood of envy, asua, and contrariness, man, due to jealousy. Now Sri Radha addresses Shyam Sundar as Mathura Nath. So now Srimati Radhika Rani is addressing Krishna as a Mathura Nath. She is saying Mathura Nath. First she was saying Deenanath, and now she is saying Mathura Nath. So when she is saying to Mathura Nath, so there is an enviness coming too much. So, O Mathura Nath, why would we merciful to us now. Now she is saying how you can remember us while you were in Mathura.
वृंदावन
When Krishna was in Vrindavan, he used to call Gop.
जब आप वृंदावन में थे
When you were in Vrindavan, so your introduction was Gop. You were Gop Balak there.
और किसी प्रकार से भागवत के उदय होने पर
So anyhow,
आप क्या हो गया
when your fortune arises,
राधीश बन
you became Mathuradish, the king of Mathura.
इस प्रकार इस संसार में मनुष्य
So in this way we have seen in this world,
कोई दरिद्र के लड़का
if somebody is a poor child,
नहीं बन जाता
maybe become rich sometimes,
क्योंकि ये विचित्र संसार में
because this is a strange world.
कोई सदा सर्वदा
So nobody remains at the same stage in his life, whole life.
संसार में नहीं जाता है कभी दरिद्र बन जाता है कभी धनी बन जाता है
Sometimes somebody is poor, sometimes is rich.
व्यंजन भी
So sometimes somebody got so many food stuff,
और एक दिन ऐसा
and
आएगा
one day will come like that he won't be able to eat anything.
भोजन कुछ नहीं
So there is a kirtan of Braj.
है भिक्षा भी मिलता नहीं देश भर में
He won't be able to get alms in the Braj,
वो भूल गया जैसे
just like
भागवत
in the Shrimad Bhagavatam.
है उसकी कथा
There is a katha of
आप क्या समझते हैं उसका नाम है विक्रमजी गुरु के नाम
so there was his name Tridandu Bhikshuk. He is famous as Tridandi Bhikshuk.
तो त्रिदंडी
That Tridandi Bhikshuk, wherever he used to go to any house,
भोजन तो बहुत दूर की बात है
so
उनके थाली में लोग
he was not getting any kinds of alms, and people used to put dust on his pot.
इस संसार में
So this is the strange world. Anything is happening. Anything can be happen in this world.
जो जिसको भी इस संसार में जिसका मित्र मान
So it happens in this world. You are thinking that he is your friend. He can become your friend. He can become your enemy, and you think that he is my enemy. He can be your friend. So because this is the changeable world, everything is changing here. Sometimes enemy becomes friend, friends becomes enemy.
तो उसी प्रकार
So in this way,
राधिका
Srimati Radhika is saying,
आप जब ब्रज में थे
when you were in Braj, so you were herding the cows there.
पैर की जुत्ती भी नहीं
Even you were not putting the shoes in your feet.
नंगे पैर में
You were barefoot herding the cows.
आ रे रे रे
Ha hi re re ra ra ru ru hat hat hu hu. So you were saying like this. Kali Shama. Hey cow, please drink the water. So behind the cows, and you were saying the Gwal Bhasha language. But when your fortune arises, so you became Mathuradish. Now you are the king of Mathura.
कहाँ तुम्हारे गोपवेश
So where in the Braj you have the Gopavesh, now you have a royal dress. Now you are in royal dress. You have crown on your head. So in this way gopis are saying, Hey Mathuranath,
तो अब आप हम पर क्यों कृपा करें
so why would you be merciful to us now?
आक्षेप पाते
So now they are imposing.
आक्षेप किस तरह
Impose करना means sometimes feeling fine on us, shaming on us.
दूसरा के संत
There are,
संपन्ना रमणिया आपकी सेवा कर रही हैं
so now many Ramaniyas of Mathura are serving you.
अब आपको हमारी याद कहाँ
So how you will remember us now?
आप
When you were in Braj,
तब क्या उनके साथ कैसे हाथ कर
then you were laughing, joking with us in Braj, and you were playing the flute,
घर से
and you were calling us from the house.
निकाल कर हम लोग उस समय सोचते
At that time, we gave up all kinds of shame. Just like mad, we were following you.
जीवन की एक ही आशा तुम्हारे साथ मिला
We had only one desire in life, that how we can meet with you.
और आप तो हम ग्वालियर के भूल गए,
And you haven't forgotten now this Gwalin.
क्योंकि जो बड़ा वस्तु को प्राप्त कर
Because somebody gets the higher things, so who can remember the inferior things?
हम लोग तो ग्वालियर नहीं,
So we are the Gwalini, milkmaids. Nobody now we don't have so much beautifulness. No, now we don't know how to speak.
किंतु देखो आप मथुरा में
But in Mathura,
ऐसे सुंदरी
you are seeing so many beautiful ladies, and you are doing bihar with the ramnis of the Mathura. Many opulent kings of Mathura
वृंदावन में
came to meet you. Nobody was respecting you in Vrindavan.
सिर झुका करके प्रणाम करके निकल,
Nobody was bowing down his head towards you in Braj.
उसका नाम करके तो बहुत दूर
Nobody was calling you Krishna. Everybody used to call you Kanhaiya, Kanhaiya, Kahana, Kahana. They were speaking you like this.
हमारे जैसे दीप लोगों की स्मरण करने का आपके पास नहीं
So how you can remember rich people like us?
है। ऐसे
So in this way, gopis are giving so much teasing to Krishna. You don't have enough time to remember us.
राजन बच्चों के द्वारा आप गिरे रहे,
You are surrounded by the many kinds of kings.
मुद्रा की यादों की संग के प्रभाव से
By the association of the Yadav peoples of Mathura, your heart has also become hard.
बात जाती है, ऐसी बात।
Gwal?
और वहाँ
Cowherds.
शत्रु जाति
Because in the Mathura you were cowherds boy, but now you have become the Yadav.
जो व्यक्ति जैसे कि
So whatever the person is getting association, he becomes like that.
स्वभाव को प्राप्त
He will get the nature of that person.
लोग क्या होते हैं,
The Kshatriya people, they are very hard-hearted. So Gopi are saying in this way,
इसलिए आपके हृदय कैसे
that's why your heart becomes hard, very hard.
आप हम लोग की याद कौन मुद्रा के यादों की संग के प्रभाव से आपका चित्त भी कठोर हो गया है।
So in the company of Mathuras Yadav, your heart has also become hard. Why would it melt upon seeing the condition of us gopis, who are anguished in separation? You don't have enough time to think about us. So seeing that, Shri Radhika becomes momentarily stunned, and the Sanchari Bhav of Danya again appears. She says, "O beloved, O Sham Sundar, you are more dear to us than our own lives. How can we forget your loving dealings?" Where it was saying, "Hey Deen Dayal Nath, Mathura Nath, hey Sham Sundar, you are us to more than our life."
रात में क्लांत हो जाने पर आज अपने पीताम्बर से हमारे सेज बिंदु को
When we got so much tired during the Ras dance, you would wipe away our drops of separation with your own pitambar. When we were performing Ras and performing dance there, when we become so much tired,
शरीर से जो है
and
और कृष्णा की
when the sweating was coming out from our body,
आप क्या करते
so at that time what you used to do, by your pitambar you were wiping, you were wiping us, and you were fanning us with your pitambar.
कोई प्रेमपूर्ण व्यवहार को हम कैसे भूलें।
So how we can forget your this loving dealings?
और ऐसे भी नहीं आप जब अपने पीताम्बर के द्वारा हम लोग की वक्र स्तर पर हवा करते थे आपके पीताम्बर
And if
द्वारा निर्मित हो जाए अत्यंत प्रेमपूर्वक उसे अपने हृदय में लगा देते आप कहाँ गए थे, मैं आऊँगा आपके इसी आस्था और हम जीवन धारण करें।
and if our kumkum stand in the pitambar, you would lovingly hold it to your heart. When you left us, you said, "I will return." With this assurance, we remain alive. but having to wonder whether you will return or not confuses us. So Krishna said that when he was going from Vrindavan, that I am going today, so tomorrow and a day after tomorrow I will be there. Today I am going. So I will take darshan of Mathura today. Then next day I will kill the Kans, and the third day I will be in Vrindavan. For sure I will be in Vrindavan day after tomorrow. But you said the day after tomorrow you will be here, but it has been years and years, but you haven't returned back. It has been a long time. You haven't come back yet, and you haven't given any news to us. Any news. So the Gopi are saying in this way that you told that you will come back, but having to wonder whether you will return or not confuses us. So please give us some consolation. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in the Lalit Madhav Granth, he is describing very nicely so the separation mode is describing in that Granth by Rupa Goswami Pad. The Radhaji is remembering Krishna and she became so stunned, unconscious, and she closed her eyes. And the tears was falling, coming out from her eyes. Gopiyas, especially Lalita and Vishaka, other Sakhiyas, so they gave the bag to Radharani, lotus buds bag, and Radhaji was lying on that. But there was so much heat of Radharani's bodies. By that heat, all the buds, very soft buds of lotus, it's burst. Just like a dry leaves we take in our hand, in our palm, so it's broken all the way. So in this way, what happened? The soft buds of the lotus become so dry. So gopis again and again they are preparing the bed of lotus buds, because Radharani has so much heat in her body, which is the separation tap, heat of separation. Even gopis are thinking that Radha is alive or not, as she has died, because she has so much heat in her body. Lalita and other Sakhis, they were crying and they were serving Radhaji. So what they saw, when they put cotton before the nostrils, thread, so the cotton was moving here and there. So they were thinking, oh, Radhaji has life, she has pran, life in her body, because that they were crying, how they can give the sympathy to Radhaji. Many kinds of what paste they are putting on the body to the Radhaji, so that their heat can be decreased. From toe to head, they are putting so much paste on Radharani's body, but nothing happening to the Radharani. So, and the heat of the body is increasing so much. What to do now? They are thinking. So all are so much crying. So after some time, Srimati Radhika, for a while, she opened her eyes. At that time, what she saw, there is a crow.
है, उसके लिए मथुरा की तरफ था।
There is a crow who was going Mathura, flying.
तो उस कोने के देख करके
So seeing that crow,
कहने लगे,
Radhaji is saying,
ये कोने
"Hey crow, oh crow,
मेरे तुम्हारी सहायता करो।
so you just help me a little. If you are going to Mathura,
मथुराधीश के जो है इतना ही समाचार
give
दे,
that news to Mathuradhish."
क्या समाचार?
What the news you have to give?
किसी के गौशाला में
That in somebody's cow sheds,
यदि आग लग जाए,
if fire burns,
तो मैं गौशाला के मालिक के कर्तव्य को
so what is the duty of the cow master, the cow shed master of that time?
ऐसे कह करके
So
पुनः
saying that, Radhaji again she got fainted,
और आप उसकी कृपा
and she became stunned, saying, "Ha Krishna."
फिर कुछ समय के बाद
And after some time,
स्वयं
Radhaji herself replying,
हे कृष्णा,
"Hey Krishna,
यदि गौशाला में चारों तरफ आग लग
if
जाए,
there is a fire around the cow sheds, so the master of the cow shed, what is his duty?
दरवाजा पे जब खोल दिया
He will open the door first.
है, पहले गौशाला के दरवाजा पे,
So first he will open the door of the cow
और
sheds,
साथ ही साथ
and
जो गाय बंधी हुई है,
and as well as what he will do, all the cows who are tying, so he will open the rope of them.
और कोई उपाय नहीं,
There is no other way.
आग बुझाने की तो बात नहीं करें,
So for destroying the fire, this is a different thing.
आदि लाना है या कुछ करना है,
For decreasing the fire, what he has to do, he will take water and things. That is the secondary things.
गौशाला में,
But first he has to open all the cows,
और कुछ गायों पे जो है
and some cows
के द्वारा बंधाया जाता है,
some cows are open with the rope, without the rope, and some cows with the rope. So the cows who are very restless, they are moving here and there, so they have to tie it with the rope. So by their horn
यार को जो है
thrown, they are going here and there and
गायों पे जो है
making some noise there. So
एक बाल
so that's why the master of that cow sheds, they used to tie some cows with the rope.
वास्तव रूप में
So actually, if he thinks, nobody used the rope.
ये तो केवल विकास संपादन करने के लिए
It is just because increasing the leela, they put the rope there. As yesterday we have heard, the Krishna Niryog and Pas. He was carrying Niryog and Pas. He was carrying with him Niryog and Pas for tying the cows. Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying, actually he was performing the human leela. That's why
ऐसे लीला करने के लिए
for doing this leela,
वीडियो और पास
he kept the Niryog and Pas, the long rope and the short rope.
वृंदावन की गाय के बाद
But Vrindavan's cow, when they see the Krishna,
उनके थन से जो है अपने आप
so there is a milk is coming out from their breast, their thun. There is no
की गाय की कोई
need to tie them.
तथापि लोग
Is still for the general views, for the common people.
लीला प्रज्वलन
So he was performing this leela.
इसके विश्वनाथ चतुर्वेदी
So Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying, actually this was not necessary for tying the cows and they need the rope. This was just a formality,
गाय जो दुष्ट नहीं है,
because no cow was very restless there, because all are Kamdhenu.
गोविंद पालन लक्ष्मी सहस्त्र संभ्रम शिल्पमान गोविंद आदि
Tamaham bhajami jai ho.
कृष्ण जो गायों की शराब है,
So the Krishna who is herding the cows, that cows are not an ordinary.
सब कोई
Those all are some Muni, Shruti,
वेद के ऋचाएं
Veds, Richaye.
उसी रूप धारण
So they have taken the form of that and they are serving to Govind in that form.
निश्चित जगत की अपराध की जगत में यही करते
In this transcendental world,
हैं। कोई साधन के गाय
those cows are not an ordinaries.
हम लोग के दृष्टि से
So according to our sight, we have seen this is just ordinary cows. We have seen like this.
संसार में जितने
But actually, in that transcendental world, all are Chinmay jeeves.
यहाँ कोई माया के स्पर्श है ना बस।
The Maya cannot touch them. They are not. Maya cannot tie them. All are,
स्वरूप है,
all are the Pran Swarup of Govinda.
चिन्मय है।
They have the transcendental body.
आदि सब अपराधिक।
All the senses they have, that is transcendental. Though
हाँ, इतना ही तक जो है,
yes,
उनके भांति सब उनकी भी इंद्रियां आदि अपराधिक है।
it is Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying that they have the senses like Krishna.
जैसे ब्रह्म संहिता में
Just
क्या
like
है?
in the Brahma Samhita it is said, Angani Sakyani Yasya Saklandriyani.
वो गोविंद व गोविंद की जो जितने अवतार
So the Govind and is Govind incarnation.
उनके अंगों के द्वारा सर्व कार्य सिद्ध करते हैं।
So they can do anything by their all the senses. What I said, little think about
ये
this.
श्लोक केवल कृष्ण के व गोविंद के लिए प्रयोग
This
नहीं है।
shlok is not representing for Krishna and his incarnation.
अवतार आदि के लिए था।
It is said by the Krishna, their incarnation.
जितने भी भगवत तत्व
So all the Bhagavad Tattva from Vishnu to Ayodhya, Dwarika, so
अवतार
those are the incarnation of Bhagavans. So that shlok is represented for that incarnation. It is not for only Krishna. This is also represent for all the incarnations,
वो कृष्ण और अवतार में कोई भेद नहीं।
because there is no difference between Krishna and Krishna's incarnation. According to Tattva Siddhant, Krishna and Narayan, there is no difference between Krishna and Narayan. Actually, the same Krishna became in the form of Narayan.
केवल रस विचार
Just according to the Ras Vichar, Krishna, he is topmost,
है और जिसमें कृष्ण में विवेक करके
and
चार महिमा
Krishna has four topmost qualities: Rupa Madhurya, Venu Madhurya.
कार में ये नहीं है।
No other incarnation have this: Rupa Madhurya, Leela Madhurya, Prema Madhurya, Venu Madhurya.
इसलिए कहते हैं
So these are the topmost four qualities. According to Tattva Vichar, no, Ras Vichar. According to Ras Vichar, this is the topmost quality in Krishna.
रस विचार में कितना दिखाते हैं? तो तत्व विचार में कोई
But in the according to Tattva Vichar, there is no difference between Narayan and Krishna. So same Krishna, he has taken so many form. If somebody is discrimination between Ishwar, so he is committing offense. So the shlok which is used in Brahma Samhita, Angani Sakalindyari, so the all the swansh of Krishna, the incarnation, there is no difference between them.
लीला आदि जो परिकर आदि में क्या होगा?
So what are the difference between Parikar?
इसमें लागू होगा कि नहीं लागू?
So that view, that Vichar will be applicable, that things will be applicable on them. Just like that Krishna can see anything by his hands, he can eat by his hand, he can walk by his hand.
किंतु उनकी जो परिकर
But all the Parikars who have, Krishna have, Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, and in the Vaikunt. So who has the Parikar? He has a Parikar.
क्या उनके लिए भी
So it is applicable for them also.
सिद्धांत प्रयोग होगा कि नहीं?
Is this principle also applied on them? So we have to think about it.
यहाँ तक नहीं
Even
जो समस्त जीव संसार से मुक्त हो
all the living all the entities who has been liberated from this material world, and after the Swarup Siddhi and the Bhav Siddhi and Prem Siddhi, and whenever they got the Vastu Siddhi and they went to the transcendental world and they got the Parikar form, so now it is applicable for them also. When they got the Parikar Tattva, the same Jeet Tattva when they got the Parikar Tattva.
एक परिकर तत्व होता है जीव तत्व।
One is Parikar Tattva, one is Jeev Tattva.
उन लोगों के लिए भी एक
So is it applicable for them? This shloka is applicable for them also. So there is a question arises here. Our Vishwas Chakravarti Pad arises this question. So now you have to think about it.
समान समान कौन सा विषय में समान और उसमें समान नहीं होता है। परिकर में भी ये तो शुभ नहीं रहे नहीं रहेगा। जीवों की कोई बहुत दूर की बात है जो यहाँ पे नारायण लोग कहीं भी चले जाए।
If you go to the Narayan Lok, so he has Shankh Chakra Pada Gadma.
नारायण के जो
So who are the Narayan Shankh Chakra Pada Pada Gada? So Parikar also have, but this is a different thing. They have the different. So this is the view. Narayans have the same thing and Parikar has the same thing, but there is a different. Being the Parikar,
तो अभी हमें विचार हो
so now we have the question here. So all the thing is applicable also to the Parikar. We leave about Jivas, but the Leela Parikar, Krishna has the Leela Parikar, which is manifested by the Swarup Shakti, Lalila Lalita and other who are staying in Golok Vrindavan, who are the Parikar, Leela Parikar.
क्या उनकी के लिए ये श्लोक
Is this shlok applicable for them completely or not? Avi, what's your views? Viewers, what are your views? Please tell me. What do you think about this? We need the answer.
गुण भक्ति संचार
Krishner Yathir Gun Bhaktir Sanchars. Krishna, whatever the quality Krishna have, it is manifested in the Bhakta also.
किंतु संचारित होने पर
But if still it has manifested in the heart of the Bhakta, being the Parikar is manifested by the Swarup Shakti, but
क्या क्या नहीं होगा
they cannot be equal to our, like Krishna. This is the speciality.
वो लीला परिकर जो है
Those all Leela Parikar,
इंद्रियों के द्वारा
by their senses,
कार्य करेंगे
they can do their work.
करेंगे आंखों के द्वारा दर्शन
They can see by eyes,
आंखों के द्वारा ध्यान देंगे
they can smell by the nose,
पैर पैर के द्वारा चलते
they can walk by the feet,
किंतु देखो हाथों
But-
के द्वारा वो देख नहीं सकते
but they cannot see by the hand.
कृष्ण के लिए क्या करें
Krishna can see by his hands, but Parikar cannot see.
किंतु लीला परिकरों के लिए
But the Leela Parikar, it is not applicable for them. No. So the Vishwanath Chakravartipad, who is writing, so this is the difference. So first you have to read Lalit Madhav, नहीं कौन सा? You won't get.
इसके वेदव्यास श्रीमद् भागवतम दशम स्कंद
So you will get this in the Shrimad Bhagavatam 10th Canto Brahma Stuti.
ब्रह्मा के
So Brahma, who was doing the Stuti, in the second shlok you will get. First little bit you have to find out.
ये कर दिया पहले बॉयल कर दिया तो कम से कम
Now I have boiled the potato, so now you have to peel off the potato and make the mashed potato.
है कहाँ है ये है
Where is that? You have to find out. In the 10th Canto Brahma Stuti I have told. So first study little bit, then come to me. What Vishwanath Chakravartipad said. I was thinking for a long time.
वो दो तीन काम हो चुके हैं
So yesterday or day before yesterday, suddenly I read that. So that I came to know. And the same question, Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, he asked to while writing a letter to to Narayan Goswami Maharaj. The same question. So now all the doubts will be clear. So now you are Trivikram Maharaj.
ये सिद्धांत में ले जाना पड़ता है
Actually, we have to take you all the siddhants.
तो ये सब बन जाते हैं
Being reading is, after reading scripture, everybody becomes pandit.
किंतु सिद्धांत में
But according to the siddhant, we have to enter in the siddhant. What is siddhant here applicable? Okay, you have to remember this.
तो लीला परिकर में ही
So Leela Parikar, it's not completely applicable for them. Angani yes Saklyam Dhyani. Very important shlok. I never heard this. Heard but never read. It is clearly mentioned there. So first you have to read And if you have little bit doubt, then you can ask again. So if you have doubt, so make it, rule it out.
लोग पढ़े लिखे आपको कुछ पता नहीं
In the Brahma Stuti, Jeev Vishwanath Chakravarti Pas Tika, you have to read. कमेंट्री उनकी है परम गुरुदेव की.
ब्रह्मा जी की स्तुति जो है
Brahma's Stuti.
पहली श्लोक क्या है
First shlok is,
अब this is
and the second shlok you will get.
दूसरी में है तो किसी में वो आप
Maybe second or third shlok you will get that. Maybe I'm if it is maybe in the second shlok, but second or third shlok you will get that. Chapter. Do you know the chapter? 14. 10th canto, 14 number chapter, and the second or third shlok. Little bit do the efforts, but now I have. You don't know where is the Brahma Sutta, what to do. What you will do?
क्या बोलते हैं मैं क्या बोलूं
I used to say one thing always.
चार जो है कलश रखी
There are 4 lazy persons. They were staying at the home. So the fire comes into the house. So one saying to another.
पारी को अरे इतने आग की जो जल रही है
So because the heat is coming.
वो एक वो व्यक्ति कहता है
So one person is saying to who will do?
अरे आँख मिल के देख लो इसी करें इसी कहते हैं हमारे इतना मेहनत करेगा
Who will do so much efforts?
इतना तो मेहनत लगते
Who will open his eyes to open?
दूर के कंबल पड़ के रखो अरे जो होने दो
Are whatever the happening, they all are lazy. They are all imposing to each other. You go, you go, you go. But no one is opening their eyes. So what they have taken the blanket and sleep again. And the fire burns, all died. Fire burns them, all died. So because we have to give up the laziness. So I have told you in the Brahma Stuti 10th canto, Shri Bhagavatam Dashan Skand 10th canto, 14th chapter, 2nd or 3rd shlok.
और श्लोक नंबर भी तो बात
And I have even told you the shlok number also, 2nd or 3rd.
है दूसरा श्लोक क्या है अच्छा
So now, come to the katha.
इसलिए अभी हम जो कथा में जा रहे
So now the katha we are discussing here.
हैं इतना बड़ी में संचारी भाव प्रकट होने लगा और कहते हैं कि द्वैत संसुंदर
So when the Sanchari Bhav again appears, so she says, "O beloved, O Sham Sundar, you are more dear to us than our own lives."
इस प्रकार हम लोग श्रवण करते हैं
So we were heard about sometimes gopis, they are feeling danya, irsha, and many kinds of bhav they are representing there. So the katha we have heard yet till now.
रात में
In the ras, so gopias are remembering then in the ras when we become so much tired. So by your pitambar you wipe our sweat,
तथा पीताम्बर में
and
तुमको हम लोग के बकस्तर भी तुमको हम लोग
if our kumkum is stand in the pitambar, you would lovingly hold it to your heart. When you left us, you said, "I will return," with the assurance we remain alive.
हम जीवन धारण करते
But having to wonder. So the katha what I was saying you. So seeing that crow, Radhaji was saying what she gave the news to. Hey crow, you are going to Mathura. So tell the. So she's not pronouncing Krishna. She is saying give the news to that Mathuradhish.
यदि किसी गौशाला में
If there is a fire burns in the cow sheds, so what is the duty of that master of that cow shed? So saying that Radhaji was again fainted. But after some time she got the consciousness and she was replying, what is the duty of that cow sheds master? First he has to open the cow sheds, door of the cow sheds door. And then the cows who are tied, so he has to open the rope of that cows. So this is the duty of that cow sheds master. So what is the meaning actually?
आग करते ही ब्रज में आग लगा मतलब क्या है?
So there was a fire in the Braj. So what is that? Actually, all are suffering in the fire of separation of Krishna,
आप गौशाला के मालिक हो,
and they are saying that you are the master of that cow sheds, Braj Goshala,
हम लोग क्या है?
and we are the cows. We all are the cows, like a cows.
तो इसमें जो है
So,
रस्सी हम लोग के बनते हैं।
so you, what is that rope? Because you have tied us with that rope. What is that rope? Separation, tyag.
आशा,
We had a hope.
आशा रूपी रस्सी
We are tying with the hope.
आपने जो क्या किया?
You have told that you will come back. After when you were going, you said that you will come back.
अगर परसों आए,
So when you will come, you person, day after tomorrow. So we have this rope of hopeness that you will come.
प्रसंग में आ रहे हैं।
In this context,
हम लोग के गले में रस्सी,
we have a rope in our neck. We are tied with that rope. What is that? Actually, this is hope that you will come.
ये कृष्ण जाने के समय इसलिए
When Krishna was going, so he said just little that I will come back for sure. I'm going today, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will come. So you have to listen very attentively. Then you will reply. How you can reply if you are not listening attentively?
यदि कृष्ण
If Krishna, if he was not, he would have given this kinds of assurance that I won't come back. Krishna, in the separation mode, gopis, whatever they heard the katha from Purnamasi, so they are remembering that.
विरह में क्या आ जाता है?
In the separation, what happened?
वैसा जो आकर के प्रकट,
There is opulence come,
वैसा जो
Aishwarya.
फिर वैसे जब थोड़ी काल में वो क्या हो जाता है?
So that opulence disappeared in a very few time. Just like example was given, there is a kadhai,
एक मन व एक कुंटल
1 quintal, 100 liter. You boil the milk.
बाल दे कभी
Sometimes have you boiled oil? Have you boiled the milk sometimes? How many times? How much milk you have boiled? 50 kg, 50 liters.
तो दूध जब बोलते हैं
So when the milk boiling, so it goes up down, up down, up down. So what happen if you put a blade of grass? So what happens after some time that blade will comes up and will go down, disappear.
हृदय में क्षणकाल के लिए वैसे
So in the way when in the separation mode, gopis have little bit separation mode and then it disappear.
वैसा की जो कथा जो है
But that Aishwarya, it is not there actually.
वो सब जैसे जैसे कभी कभी सुना
Sometimes whatever they have heard by the Purnamasi,
उसको सुन करके
so hearing that,
उस समय तो विश्वास नहीं
they were not trusting that whenever Purnamasi was saying, she was saying Krishna is not ordinary person, Krishna is Bhagwan.
लक्ष्मी आदि देवता
Lakshmi and other devtas
कमल के जो है
who
प्राप्ति करने के लिए
who would like to attain the feet and they are doing the austerities. So Purnamasi was telling this kinds of all katha, but hearing that gopis were laughing and they were not trusting on the words of Purnamasi.
भगवान यदि हो
If he is Bhagwan, because the gopis were thinking there is only one Bhagwan, so he is only Narayan, and this Narayan in our house, he is in a form of Shaligram Shila.
नारायण व कृष्ण भगवान
Krishna is Bhagwan, Krishna is Narayan. They are not believing this.
ये सब कथा की वो लोग सुन करके हंसी
So hearing this all kinds of katha, they was laughing, joking, and whatever they are saying, just letting them speak.
किंतु विरह दशा में
But in the separation mode, what Yogamaya did,
उनके हृदय में क्या करते थे स्फूर्ति का
so by the Yogamaya, that opulence sometimes stimulated in their hearts. And what happened? After some time, this disappeared.
इसलिए विरह दशा
So in the separation mode, what happened?
में ईश्वर की स्फूर्ति हुई।
For a some time, opulences comes and disappeared.
यानी कि तात्पर्य यह है
What's my meaning to say?
जो आशा
Because gopis has hope that Krishna will come back.
है कि पूर्णमासी के लिए
Because sometimes Purnima said, because Krishna is the Satyabhag, means who always speak the truth.
वचन देता है इसको
because he always keep the promises. He never tell a lie.
किंतु जब पूर्णमासी
But when Purnamasi was saying, so she was laughing when hearing how Krishna can be so true.
कृष्ण तो बिल्कुल
Krishna is liar. He is jhuta.
पूर्णमासी जी भी कृष्ण
When Purnamasi sometimes he was glorifying Krishna,
किंतु वो लोग हंसते
but they were laughing. The gopis were laughing. Oh, Krishna is Sadachari, Krishna is Brahmachari,
और कृष्ण के शरण प्राप्ति करने
and getting the feet of Krishna. Many devis are doing so much hard austerities. So hearing all this katha, gopis are laughing. Krishna.
विश्वास नहीं
They were not believing on these words.
किंतु विरह दशा
But in the separation mode, they were remembering all these kinds of kathas. So they all kathas stimulated in the heart of gopis.
इसलिए
That's why
गोपियां जहाँ जहाँ पर
wherever gopis are
ऐश्वर्य आदि के
remembering and thinking about the little bit about Krishna's opulence, there is not katha. This is Purnamasi katha.
दूसरी की कथा जैसे सुना
So they have heard the katha of Purnamasi, so they are just remembering that, just like that Krishna is Bhagwan. So after hearing this, gopi were laughing, but in the separation mode, they were thinking, oh, maybe Krishna is Bhagwan. So sometimes this kind of stimulation comes in their heart. Oh, Krishna is Bhagwan.
दिखाई नहीं पड़ते
Because there are no symptoms seen in Krishna's that he is Bhagwan.
निगूढ़ प्रेम होने के नाते
Because gopis has so much love towards Krishna,
तनिक भी जो है
so they don't believe little bit that Krishna is Bhagwan, but they have the hope. Oh, what is that hope? That Krishna will come back. This is the rope.
आरूपी रस्सी
So by this rope they are tying. So you have to understand it. What is that rope? That is hope. So when Krishna, when he was leaving, that I will come back, he said like this. So that's the kinds of rope he's tying on the neck of the gopis. Our Jeev Goswami Pad in the Gopal Champu and Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. So he has described in their tikas, and especially Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, Lalit Madhav Granth.
विरहों के जो है
So he has described the separation mode very nicely.
तो इसलिए राधा जी कार्य है इस विरह दशा में
So that's why Radhaji is saying in that separation mode,
आधारूपी
hey Krishna, you come back and untied us with that hope. Cut our rope of hope.
का समाचार दे दे
But oh crow, just give it the. Even was he just give us news that why are you crying in our separation? I won't come back.
संबंध था वो ब्रज की संबंध था
Whatever the relationship we had, it was in the Braj only. Now there is no any more relationship I have with you. Everything is over. Now you have to move on.
तो क्या हो गया
Now break up. Break up.
क्या बोलते
Now everything is over.
कुछ करना है बात
Move on.
फाइनल डिसीजन
This is a final decision. Now I don't want to see your face.
है जब किसी को ऐसी स्थिति हो जाए
If some condition happen like this,
तो डाइवर्ट करके
after the divorce,
यहाँ तक भी वो लिख
they used to write, oh, I don't want to see your face.
50 मीटर तक हमारे सीमाना में तुम नहीं आओ
You cannot come before 50 meters to me. It happens in the foreign countries.
50 मीटर तक हमारे
That
कंप्यूटर क्या बोले
area,
कंपाउंड के
you cannot come in our compound even 50 meters. If you come, then I will case against you. This is written in the court. This is written. Sometimes
हो गया फिर
sometime it happens. So if the person will come, because in the foreign countries they are very strict. The rules are very strict. Everybody has to follow that. This is very, very hard. In the 50 meters, whatever happened, no aswa, no separation. So in the same way, Radhaji is saying in this way, if you don't, because we have this hope, that's why we are alive here, why we have keep our life. Gopis are suffering and Radha is just suffering. Why they are so much suffering? Why they are keeping their life? This they have this only faith that Krishna will come. This is very deep thing. This is very soft words. This is very amulya, valuable words. We have to think. Krishna will come. Hey Bhagwan Garmi. Sometimes in the separation mode, gopis they are giving the sympathies to each other. So gopis are Radhaji's feel so much bad that saying these words, you would like to make me die. Radhaji is saying, go away from here, don't come to me. Why are you telling like that Krishna won't come? In many scriptures is described. So what I said in the Lalit Madhav Granth, so Krishna has tied a hope, which is that Krishna will come. The rope of hope. Wow, what a rhymes. The rope of hope we have tied on our neck. So because Krishna never written a letter that what is the new, he sent to Uddhav. Baldev Prabhu came from Dwarika. But even Krishna can write a little, hey gopis, why are you so much separation, suffering for me? But Krishna never wrote anything. Krishna knew. So because what kind of love I have with the gopis, that's why they are alive. In the 11th canto, there are some shlokas. So Krishna himself told to Uddhav that why gopiyas are keeping his life just for me. I will come. Or otherwise they cannot keep their lives alive in my separation because they have so much heat in their body. So by that body, by the heat of that body, Aneko Brahman, it is not able to keep them. Krishna is himself saying to Uddhav, I am in his body, in their body. That's why being their body, I am tolerate that heating. In the 12th canto, Krishna told these all kinds of katha to Uddhav. There are very beautiful shlokas also. That I am tolerating, being in the bodies of that gopis, I am tolerating that heat and I am their soul. This is very nicely described. So that's why Radhaji is saying here, Krishna can give us this news only. Hey gopis, I won't become never. So then we will left our body. So this is the stage of love. All the lover wants the happiness of the beloved. They wants the happiness of each other. So this is the topmost definition of love. They want the happiness of each other. They don't so that I am. They never think about themselves. If they think, because they are thinking that if Krishna will come back and they will see that Krishna, that the gopis are no more because they have given up their bodies. So that's why they are keeping their lives alive. Because Krishna will come back. If they will come back, if see that gopis are died, so Krishna cannot be live without us. So in this way, just because of this, they are keeping their body alive. Just like in the hot summer time, all kinds of water so much becomes dry because there are no rain for some times, well, at least 3-4 months at the time of summer. So all the waters of the pond, it becomes dry. So everybody say hahaकार, they are suffering. Even they cannot, they don't have the water of bathing. I have seen in my life there was no rain for 3-4 months. We have seen on my eyes. Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad, Sawan.
4 महीने तक
So 4 months
बूंद भी पड़े।
there was no single drop of rain.
अरे तो कुछ
All the ponds were dry. There was no water. Big ponds we have seen, but there was no water there.
थोड़ी थोड़ी जगह में कहीं कोई
So maybe little bit far away there is a little bit water. So we used to take our lota and we take that water and we used to take water. For so many days they didn't take bath.
नाव से जो है पानी नहीं चलता।
So the water was not coming out from the tap. So somehow anyhow we have arranged there. We have seen my wife. कहाँ पे बंगाल में? In the Bengal it happens. So it happens in the Bengal.
तुमको पानी की
There was a drought came.
वो भादों में उल्टी में जाकर के इतना
Drought was there. There was. So what happened after some time when the rainy season came? It was so much raining, Baba. There was a flood coming
क्या बोले अभी ये जो वायरस है
because now the
ये लोग तो अभी तो
coronavirus, the peoples are feeling so much.
पानी नहीं तो क्या करेंगे।
But at that time was there no water, so what to do? Because water is life.
हमारे पास पानी है सब
Even we have many kinds of things available. We have ingredients to eat. So they have just locked down. Please don't move from here to there. But if there is no rain and there is no water for 3-4 months, so how you can survive? Is it possible? How you can survive? Tell me. Can you survive?
हम लोग जिस वायरस
Because now we are so much suffering. The virus we are talking about, coronavirus, but it is nothing.
जो मृत्यु के भय के लिए हम तरफ
So we are suffering. We are so much afraid of the death because there is coronavirus. But it's just think about if there is no rain, there is no water for 3-4 months. What you will do?
क्या बोले महाप्रभु के आविर्भाव
So at the time of Mahaprabhu's appearance day, there was so much raining. So Fagun, Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad,
श्रावण
Shravan.
बिल्कुल भादों महीने में जाकर
So at the time of Bhado is rainy season, there was so much water, was so much raining.
बिल्कुल हाहाकार मच गया।
But in these 5 months, there was no water. Everybody was so much suffering. There was no drop of water.
बहुत दूर दूर से
For just one drop of water, we has to go from other state, from Bihar and other states. We have to go, and we were carrying water from there. How many people got that? For one drop of water, people were so much fighting each other.
मैं जाने मन जीवन
Because water is our life. We cannot live without that.
अभी हम कथा में
So the katha we were hearing here,
तो वही कहानी है।
Radha ji is saying,
कृष्ण हमारे जीवन में जरूर है।
Hey Krishna, you are our life.
आप आओगे इसी
You will come back. That is why we are keeping our life. Whatever we are doing just for Krishna's pleasure.
यदि कृष्ण आए
And if Krishna came back and he saw that all the Brajvasi died, then Krishna will be happy or sorrow. He will be sad, so much sad. That's why just because of Krishna's pleasure, they are suffering and they are keeping their life alive.
इसलिए आप हमें कुछ अंतरा दो हमारे चित्त उद्भाग हो रहे आपके मुखचंद्र का दर्शन करके दर्शन करने के लिए हमारा हृदय
So please give us some consolation. Our restless hearts are truly hankering to see your moon-like face.
गजदेवियों के भाव के सुंदर का भजन करना ही
So Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur writes that the topmost bhajan is the follow the Braj Devi's mode of separation from Shri Krishna. So this separation mode katha Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day night discussing with Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramanand. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. बहुत बढ़िया कथा, अति उत्तम कथा. हरि बोल. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Bol. Thank you for tolerating me. Hare Krishna.